Here, I'll spawn this thing real quick. Oh yeah,
See,
so there's an access
see,
tree.
Oh, it's too small. Make
I
that
know.
bad boy like
I'll-
3 times the size.
But yeah,
Let's
it's
look
not
at
easy
that.
to import the
From
models.
creation to implementation in literally like an hour.
is that the
Yeah.
tree from
That's the tree, bro.
Christmas?
That's the tree.
From what?
It doesn't even look like a Christmas tree. It's not big enough.
Yeah,
You put the one ornament on it and it tips over to the side.
exactly.
Um,
You want to make it static as well,
I
right?
should have made it light on fire when you hit it. That would be cool.
um,
First tree, now the burning bush. How many marijuana references can one thing make?
oh, yeah.
It is crypto after all.
No, I gotta scale it. Why am I not scaling it?
You have S. You typed S.
Oh, wait.
No, yeah, there you go.
Oh, I haven't added scaling support for cuboids, so I have to use a capsule, which is fine. Or cylinder, I think. What's the size? Half height. Oh, let's make it like 3 and 2. Yeah. It's a big tree.
Holy sh! Oh, it's not loading some of the textures.
Is it?
Wait, get close to it.
All right, let me.
Oh wait, no, they're loading. It's just it's because you have no lighting. Everything's just full
It's
brightness.
just a single global illuminator.
Yeah.
Anything.
Okay, that's why. Yeah.
No light source.
Oh yeah, it works. Cool. There she is.
Does it animate? Does it have an animation?
What's interesting is it's spawning too low. Like it's into the ground, maybe like 8 inches.
No,
it doesn't have an. Yeah, it has an animation. It's just called idle.
Is it?
Yeah. Idle, all lowercase. I think. Yeah, idle, all lowercase. It has like a soft sway. See?
Oh yeah, it does. Okay, I'll do that. And then set some model looped animations idle. All right, that should idle it. Oh boy, something broke. Does it not have an idle?
It does. IDLE lowercase.
My server is screaming because I did not. Oh, I'm dumb. I put that on the platform and not the tree. It's like there's no model attached to this thing. Yeah, because I'm using a texture. That's why. Yeah, so now it's swaying.
Oh, look at that cute tree. Can you up the brightness of the global illumination?
Yeah.
Yeah, up it by like 30%. Everything looks dark.
Yeah. Everything's brighter.
That's way better.
Okay.
I'd even go higher.
All right, let's expose the shit out of this thing.
Oh my god!
There you go.
Okay, no, not that.
Rip.
All right, fine.
There we go. That looks great.
That's
a lot easier on the eyeballs. I mean, the grass texture is a bit bright, but the player model's better now. Yeah, maybe go less than that slightly. There we go.
I mean, is it though? Also, I'm very happy I took the time to build this, like, debug camera mode and stuff. Yeah.
Is that the grass texture I gave you? Can I give you a better grass texture?
This is the grass that Ben gave me.
Will you send me it? Will you send me the model? I'll just fix it.
It's a 3-sided cube map, but yes, I can send it to you.
That's fine. I can still fix it. I'll just brightness saturation it.
You have to change each of these faces.
Easy.
Oh, shit. I broke it. 1 second.
Just whatever format you have it in, I can work with. Okay. Wait, where'd you send it?
In Slack.
Oh, is it uploading?
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna.
Oh, there it is.
Right. Maybe I should organize this a little bit. Let's
The texture looks fine. It must be your global illumination, but I can still fix it.
It's also PBR based, and I haven't set any PBR properties on anything.
Oh, okay.
So like, if I sent the roughness or whatever, and some other stuff. It would change the lighting characteristics. I haven't cared to do any of that yet, so it's just
Yeah, that's fair.
um
Just tell Cursor to do it.
some blocks. Yeah, I could, but then if it messes up like it does 20% of the time, I have to go through and figure out like what's going on.
Yeah, good point.
Just throw some organization in here. You have the grass. I can make the grass.
Are
Yeah.
you doing everything in the same file?
Sent you the grass GLTF in
This
Slack.
is just like an index mock file I have, Matt, where I just like the game script, because there's not a scripting layer yet. I just use the lower level engine APIs that I've written, which are later going to get abstracted. That makes sense. Does the grass have an animation?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it does.
Is it idle?
Um,
It's probably idle, or is it like sway or something like that?
I mean, I would probably call it idle. Let me look.
Um, fix. Yeah. Cylinder. Wait, why is that? Something's happened.
I just can't find my.
Oh, I don't
my
have the
grass.
model.
What model?
Oh, I haven't added the grass model. That's why it's getting
Yeah.
twisty. Also, let's move this.
The animation is called idle. Yes, all lowercase.
Yeah, I gotta put it in the. Oh, yeah. Desktop, HYTOPIA, grass. There's some grass, and it is idling. So let's. Wait, why is it spawning? What is going on? Oh.
See, that's an issue with the tree. It's too low on the. It's too low into the ground.
No, that's not. Yeah, the tree I can bump up more, but.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Wait, what happens if you put it at 0? Will it float? Oh, it's floating now.
Yeah, it's floating because it's. Did you pin the bottom of it to the? Because it looks like it's not like perfectly aligned with the. Or wait, what is going on?
Well, it should be 3.5 because if the height is 7, yeah, there you go. That's the halfway mark. Yeah, perfect.
Oh, okay. Well, big math is not math. And then my grass is not. There we go. Okay, now we got some grass.
Yay! But
And we.
oh yeah, that looks right.
Not collidable. So.
Yay! Oh, that's way off on color. Oh yeah, you got to do the half thing too, so that has to be 0.5.
It might be 0.25, maybe 0.75.
Oh yeah, half of half.
Is that it?
Yeah, close enough. Yeah.
Do we make it bigger?
Yeah, it's a little small. Yay.
I should change the API so I don't have to calculate the offsets like this. Yeah.
Nice. Cool.
All right, let's make a little map to play pumpkin cheater.
Yeah. Then I'll give you the fixed textures.
Oh boy.
It doesn't burn our eyes.
Let's see. I'll just use cursor. Create a one block ball. Chunk. Adjacent to each other and set the ring and block. Alright, cool. And it broke. Start chunk. Cannot find. Oh, the chunk lattice is not. That's right. I should move that. There we go. All right, so now we got 4 chunks. And let's get rid of the platform for now. Don't need a spawner. Ignore the tree. It's for lost. Okay, that fucked it up. Stretching. Oh, I should probably. That's probably a bug. It's stretching my textures because of the 3D meshing. Oh well.
I don't know what's happening.
Oh yeah, I'm just making a little ballerina real quick.
Okay, here's the new textures. I'll put them in a zip so you can download it easier.
On 5 to 10 trees randomized spread on top of.
Okay, there. I sent you them. They have the same name, so you should be able to just drag and drop them.
Yes.
How's everyone doing on this lovely Friday?
Yeah.
Nice.
Exhausted from driving school. I'm almost finishing it though. Hopefully, if I pass on the test on the exam.
You've been practicing that parallel park, Hunk?
Yeah, that's one of my biggest weaknesses. Not only just parallel parking.
Yeah, but if you practice it, it's a huge flex. Imagine you're on a date with a girl first time, and there's the only one spot in the entire city, and you just one shot back into it like a pro with your hand on the wheel. 10 seconds, you're in. No big deal. Incredible.
Yeah, no, how do you call those? No alarms, no sensors, no nothing.
Oh yeah, no parking
Just
sensors.
raw dogging it.
6-speed manual. Come on. You using the clutch, Honk?
Yeah, it's hard. It's so hard. Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it. Fast.
Index, just so you know, your mic looks like it's going off, but we don't hear anything from you.
Oh yeah,
Like, right.
I was gonna say the pinnacle is just being able to drive with your knees while you eat a burger.
Exactly. And drive 6 speed. So the right knee on the wheel, the left leg using the clutch.
Gotta be ambidextrous for that one.
Yeah, I perfected that at some point, but I crashed my first car doing it.
Oh no.
My first car doing that.
I should probably.
Is eating a meat pie in one hand and trying to read a book in the other.
Too much multitasking.
That's the most British thing ever, eating a meat pie properly.
Had his pinky out and everything.
Yeah, his pinky was out. He had a cup of tea. Little clotted cream.
Size said quaternion needs to be a quaternion.
I feel like this is just way over my head. It's probably just objects being created that are manipulated by Rapier.
Sort of. Yeah.
It's like dynamically done, basically.
Position. Where's my position chunk? Oh, chunk height.
I get it. I've seen Fantasia before. I get it.
What is the size of this thing? I think that's okay. So it's 1.5. This is like literally just throw the shit together, like make a game that works. I'm gonna throw all this away. Like programming.
One should be one.
No, it's there we go.
Oh.
Trees. Not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you collide into them?
Yeah. I mean I hit them. I can't go through them.
Yeah. So that collider box can't be smaller than the geometry, right?
Not yet, but I can add
Okay.
support for that later. I just haven't done.
Yeah, not super important.
Right now, it just scales the model to the
I
geometry.
could put a little fence around the tree.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to,
That'd be
it
kind of
just has
funny.
to be. It has to be the outermost.
Like the outermost reaching geometry from the center point.
If you can make it a circle from the center point, that's the outermost, it'll perfectly align to it.
It looks better without the fence, though, so I'm not going to do it. Plus, the fence won't work if the tree's on a single block, because then there'd be a floating fence.
Yeah. That's cool. I got some trees.
Nice. Now randomly rotate them.
Yeah, I already did, I think.
Oh, they have random rotations?
Wait, no, maybe they don't.
Oh, yeah, they do.
I'm using...
Wait, they do?
No, it's because I'm using...
No, they don't.
Quaternions, and I didn't... I hate doing the math to convert this. Right.
Well, they only need to be randomly rotated in 90 degrees, because you don't want them actually randomly rotated, because it's voxel.
Yeah.
Pi divided by 4 multiplied by a random number between 1 and 4.
Yeah, my brain doesn't want to do that right now. I'm just gonna tell. Yeah, there we go. Use the. There we go.
Nice. Yay! It didn't work.
That didn't work. Is it not setting the rotations? Maybe. What am I
Wouldn't
doing
you be
wrong?
multiplying by 360 on the rotation?
No, because it's in radians.
Oh, I guess. Yeah.
So it's pi divided by some value. Wait, no, there's 2 radians in a circle, right? Circle 2 rad?
Yeah.
Or I can't remember.
Brain.
It's been many years since I did trig and linear algebra. or vector algebra, I mean.
Sorry, what are we asking? You asking how many radians are in a circle or what?
Yeah, is it 2?
Yeah, it's 2 radians.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Oh, it's um, it may be because I might not be able to apply rotations to fixed entities. If I make this dynamic, will it?
What's W axis?
It's part of calculating quaternions. It's yeah.
Oh, what the heck?
Um.
But Temp, you don't know about that 4th dimension.
It's time. No, I think it's actually, it's just because that's how the matrice math works, right? Like the W axis is what applies the rotation in a multi-matrice multiplication.
Bro,
Like
I
it's
don't
some
know.
dot product thing or something like that.
I haven't looked into it.
Mm. There's got to be someone good at math in our voice chat right now.
If I
No,
sit down and I think
studied
through it, I
math.
can, but I'm like, I don't want to think through this right now.
No, I studied maths. Like, I've pivoted into software engineering, but I don't
Really?
know what, I don't know what W axis is.
Oh, that's cool.
Like a W axis is like, yeah. I don't know that it's a standard thing, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I've never seen it before, except for in 4x4 matrices. Because when you do certain like 3D space translations, the 4th matrice allows you to modify the other vertices by like an additional value. It's something like that.
Yeah, possibly.
Well, yeah, I don't think my rotations are applying for some reason.
Maybe it's to do with like imaginary numbers and stuff like that. You know?
Yeah. Can you just highlight the whole script and say to cursor, make this tree randomly rotate in increments of 90 degrees on spawn?
You most certainly can, by the way.
He's Googling it, I can tell.
He's trying not to show us, but like that's what you should be doing.
He's back. Arc, you're muted as well. Was there a reason Uncle Ether was server muted? Was it open mic? Well, we'll never know. We need like a music bot to play something in the background, like lo-fi. Punk, can we get Meeseeks to play like a lo-fi playlist? Something? Me6, not Meeseeks.
I'm taking a look at it right now.
I knew you were. We need some like programming lo-fi. Chill beats, lo-fi.
Oh man, there's no music in Me6.
What? We pay for that premium Me6 and it can't play music? What the heck?
I know, right?
No.
There's a music quiz, though.
What
No,
the
but
hell?
I think Discord has the that old bot that I forgot the name. Rhythm. Yeah. Let me see it.
Oh,
There it is.
okay. Wait, where'd he go?
He's brought.
Oh, you have to join the activity.
Yeah, it's the activity. Yeah.
So we can't
Yeah.
force people to listen, which is what I want.
No. I'm sure I've been in a Discord where it's just been there.
It's usually a bot that joins the channel and starts just playing stuff.
Yeah, exactly. Something like that.
Let me see. I remember Me6 was like temporarily not Me6. Rhythm was temporarily shut down because of some Discord policy changes. Correct me if I'm wrong, Matt. So I don't know if there are any bots that do currently work with music the way they used to, but I think there are though.
There's a bot literally called Lo-Fi Radio.
Another way.
But we can't just add it. We need time to kind of look into it to make sure it's secure. So it doesn't play us lo-fi while it steals our accounts.
I know Fred Boat is legit. It seems to work.
Fred Boat? Should we add it?
I'm just making sure that I add it to the correct server because I have two servers called HyChain, like the test one. Let me.
But can we have it? Do we have to choose individual songs, or can we have it play like a?
No clue. We can try a playlist.
Okay.
I don't know if it works, but
It'll
I'd
play like a
assume so.
Spotify playlist.
I don't know about that. We'll see.
Play music via URL.
I need to get the.
Doesn't look like it will. Oh yeah, /search. Oh wow, it does everything except Spotify. What the heck? That's dumb. All right, skip it. Oh, nice. The wall. Ark, you're still muted. I'm not trying to roast you. Just so you know. Feel free to stay muted. I'm assuming he's got kids in the background yelling.
Nah, he does his best work in silence.
Yeah, exactly. All his lights are off. He's hunched over his keyboard. It's dead quiet. That map's got to be bigger, bruv, like double that size.
The team's going to be squashed.
It's going to be a slaughter.
You know, like bumper cars where everything's so small and it's just like you can't go more than a minute without bumpers. Come on.
You can't build any momentum.
Yeah.
It's a good point. I've never thought of that. Like, that's probably why it's not very dangerous.
True. True. You want dangerous maps, Ark.
Yeah. We want dangerous bumper cars. Like, if I'm not getting CTE, I'm not bumping. That's a horrible joke. That's a horrible joke.
Oh, the map is bigger. Look at that.
Yeah. Just in a couple lines. Look at this. So
He
nice.
can hear us.
He can hear us.
Yeah, but also still, like, if you're just firing aimlessly, you can probably hit everyone from there.
Can you?
Is there like a rate limit on how quickly you can fire?
Let me try that.
It's
No, you
30
can
times a
spam it.
second. Max, do you have a block texture for like a jump block or something when I can add, or maybe I can move some
Like,
pads?
oh, yeah. I could make something like that, but first fix the textures on the ground. This is how I hold you hostage. I'll make that. I'll make it for you. I send them to you in Slack. They're just new. All he has to do is drag and drop and reload, and they should be more like green and less eye killing. Like right now, they're highlighter yellow. It's in the zip file. Okay, yeah, he's unzipping. Okay, cool. I want to see that new grass, and then I'll make you like a little floaty pad, like maybe it has like kind of like a beam coming up from it, and when you touch it, you fly up. That'll be fun.
It can be a GLTF with an animation too if you want. It's up to you.
Yeah, I'm just gonna give it make it a GLTF with an idle.
There we go.
Oh, there it is. Oh god, it's clipping so bad. Okay, I'm gonna turn it down.
Yeah, it's really
can we
loud.
adjust its volume server wide?
No, it's individual.
Okay, just
Sorry,
we gotta
guys.
kick this. We gotta kick this.
No,
Sorry,
okay.
Porto.
Rip.
Oh, what you?
That was good while it lasted.
We tried. Thanks for trying, Hog.
That was good. So you telling me you can't drop the volume for it?
I can,
Not
but like,
globally.
I don't want other people to not know how to drop the volume, and it's just playing so loud they can't hear us.
Oh, you can't drop the volume for everyone in one.
No,
Yeah, it's just
No.
for you.
Right. What a bad product.
I know.
Talk about
It's a limitation of Discord. Oh, what the heck? I mean, the color's better, but it's actually not that
Your
much
grass
better.
is minty now, Max.
It's minty. Okay, it's better. It's better. I'm gonna give you one more.
Is that just me or is Ark added clouds and stars? He has added clouds. And a moon. Oh, wow. We're cooking.
We're cooking.
Oh, man.
It's awesome. Okay. Mhm. Oh boy, oh boy. It's so hard to adjust the textures when your global illumination is so far off. Just for the sake of saving time, I'm just going to give you the very top texture again. Arc. Just replace it with this one. It should look better.
Yeah, that sounds good one.
Okay. And then I'm going to work on the pad. I am going to also share my screen so people can decide if they want to watch Arc code or me do the pad. Okay, share screen, block bench. No way, that's the new texture. Can someone confirm that they can see my screen?
I can.
Okay, cool. Okay, generic model. I'm going to call this booster pad. Get 32 by 32. Okay, this one's going to be fun. Let's see how we're going to do this.
Could randomly drop spiders on the map, chase you.
Oh my
You
god.
gotta kill them with the pumpkin shooter.
That would be fun. I could spawn zombies.
A little
We
battle
have a
royale.
spider model.
Battle royale, bro.
Ark, if I make the object like have a slight bump up from the ground, like a small height, will the character automatically walk up onto it or get clipped on the very edge?
I
guess it
don't
doesn't
have
matter because they're going to be jumping.
Yeah, I don't have. The top part will be the mesh will wrap.
The mesh will wrap.
The top part will wrap the mesh around the top of the model, and the bottom part will wrap the mesh or the collider, whatever, around the bottom of the model.
Yeah.
Right now.
Okay. I feel like I should record this one actually. How do you record on Mac? Do you need like a third-party software?
I think it's Command Shift 4 or Command Shift
No,
5.
that's screenshot. That's screenshot.
No, you should be able to record with that as well.
Really?
Yeah, if you do Command Shift 5.
Okay.
Yeah, it's 5. You're right.
Oh shit.
At the bottom, you can see you've got screen capture and you've
Yep.
got record and all that stuff. So
Okay, that's awesome. Will it record sound?
I believe so.
I think you have to enable it
Yeah,
Okay.
you have to make sure that it's
in the
enabled.
options.
Okay, now that is cool. All right, hats off to the Mac team on that one. Okay, that's pretty sweet. So just for some context for people that are tuning in now or seeing this recording on Twitter, which is ultimately where it will end up, I spent the last probably hour building this tree live in our Discord. Kind of building it, texturing it, and then Arc actually imported this into the game, the HYTOPIA proper version, the web version he's been working on. And so now I'm going to be building a booster pad for when the player jumps on it, they'll fly into the air. So one more game object we're going to be making, and then Arc will import it into the game and actually make it functional. So that's the background story here. Okay, so the nice thing about not being restrained by Minecraft is I can do some other stuff you can't do normally. Like I can make this half a block height. So we can use, as long as it's still voxel style, we're going to allow people to make basically any model at any scale. It just can't be like, super high quality Call of Duty style. It has to actually be voxel themed. But like what I'm doing here with these like kind of thin layers, this is still acceptable. So
Even though the engine's written in TypeScript with Rapier right now, there's not much going on yet, but like physics steps are still taking only like 150 microseconds, which is good.
nice.
Very fast. Hey Rich, are you around? Oh wait, no, I can't. I'll have to. It's.
Oops, that's not do. What the heck? There we go. Nice. This is going to be fun. Let's see, add mesh. Can I add a cylinder? Oh my gosh, I can. Amazing. Okay, now that's sweet. That's super cool. Make this cylinder a lot taller here. So this cylinder will ultimately become the actual like beam that's coming out of the platform to indicate to the player that the platform sends them up into the air. So actually I'll paint this now for fun. So I'll move this, move to the paint mode and create a new texture called platform beam. Get this 32x. Whoops, I had the wrong thing selected. There we go. New texture, platform beam. 32x, transparent color. See, this'll. It didn't work. Delete the pre-filled texture, and now anything we draw here will be drawn onto the model itself. You can see over here, this is where the texture is, and it's UV mapped onto this. So the idea here is that we can kind of have this blue aura directing the player into the sky. So what I'm going to do is grab a big brush, say like maybe 10. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And make it super soft. So we get this, oh yeah, there it is. Get this cool kind of like glowy kind of vibe. Then I'm also going to turn on mirror painting and mirror on both axes here. So we get kind of this easy way to paint all the way around it. And finally, I'll turn the opacity down to probably 50 and just start painting this beam in. Oops. Okay, I have a better way of doing this actually. Maybe I don't.
You have plans on animating that texture?
Could.
How would you do it?
I don't know if GLTF supports.
Hey, the trees are
animated
having a bit of a
textures.
problem.
Oh no.
Do you see that?
Wait, they are? I gotta look.
Let me restart this. You'll see, because I didn't lock the rotations or anything on the trees, so they're. Oh, I think they're still rigid bodies too. Yeah, they're dynamic rigid bodies, which is part of the problem. But they're they're not liking the.
Oh my god!
Seems like we
fallen
got
trees.
hurricanes in the game.
Yeah, post-hurricane trees.
It's fine.
It's amazing. Brush bigger. Just gotta make sure it doesn't have anything. Top. Oh, actually, you can do it here. Turn my opacity down. There we go. That looks kind of beam-like. Let's see what this looks like here. That's interesting. What I need to do is change this transparency order. I have not seen Blockbench do this before. The alpha channel is actually overriding the geometry behind it. That is interesting. How do I fix this? Oh, there we go. We just need to set this to, no, that's not it either. This might be beyond my understanding of this software. One more thing I can try here. If we just set every base to be the same. Let's see this. This might do it. It's like these three, it's like this side that's being problematic. How do I break these apart? There. Why are these grouped? Oh, okay, just randomly worked. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's still doing it. That's so weird. Oops. That's just the weirdest thing. I have no idea what's going on. It's like almost like a block bench problem or something. Unless, do I have two of the same cube? No. Okay, I'm just gonna redo this because I am so confused. Okay, new cylinder. Okay, now paint. Let me see if I can paint this. Surface does not have a texture. All right. Okay, so beam texture. Delete this. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. Paint. Okay, there we go. So now I'll set this to fill single face, filling multiple faces. I swear this has got to be like a block bench issue. I honestly don't know what's going on. It's so weird. What on earth?
You know what would be fun?
What's that?
Perhaps if we did next time we did something like this, we did it on the HYTOPIA Discord and called in our modelers over there to help.
Yeah, say,
They're really
hey,
talented people with modeling. Like they,
hey, we need someone that knows what they're doing to help temp.
well, if you say it like that,
Calling all Minecraft modelers or any modelers. Why is temp so confused? What is he doing
but
wrong?
really, there are really skilled people on Blockbench over there.
Yeah, there's some really
It
talented
seems
artists
like
over there.
I remember from the tournaments we used to do.
Mhm.
There were lots of people that weren't so skilled as others, yet the more skilled people would help anyway. So that was interesting, like interesting interactions to
That's
see. So
super
they're open
nice.
to teaching.
Yeah, that's really nice of them. But I think I found a solution because I need to move on with my life.
Which one is it?
I think. Okay, this is definitely a block bench problem. I think when Arc imports this, it'll be correct. But you can see, like, if I view this beam from this direction, it looks proper. But if I look at it from this direction, it's like something
Yeah, it
is
looks
messed
like
up.
there's a shadow.
Yeah. And the lighting is off, or lighting is on. So it's definitely not that. It's just something wrong with
You
the
know, on the
software.
texture it seems uniform. So I don't know.
Yeah.
Perhaps it's just visualization problem.
Okay. I'm just going to leave it how it is and hope it imports fine. Okay. So, turn lighting back on. I'm going to reposition this. Oval object. Center it. Lower it down one. And then I'm going to make it a little bit taller. Hopefully it stretches the texture. It does, thankfully. Otherwise, that would have been a nightmare. Cool. Well, that's the effect I wanted, more or less. So I'm just going to roll with the punches. Let's add a group called root. Is anyone still watching, or we've bored everyone to death? Yeah, there's some viewers. Okay, now I'm gonna texture this. Let's see, launch pad texture 32x. Give it a color. Let's give it like a, start it off with kind of a gray. There we go. You know, very deceiving. That might be a little too bright. Yeah, it's okay for now. And then I'll give it some, go into paint here, give it a little texture by just grabbing a brush. Size 2, 50% opacity, making this a little bit brighter, a little darker. Let's up this to 150. There we go. And yes, I'm literally just scribbling on this. to give the texture some kind of color variation, make it look more lifelike. See, now we see that it kind of looks like stone, honestly. This could be a stone, like a monolithic plate. That would work too. I actually like that. Let's do that. Looks stone-like. I'm gonna add a little bit of kind of like stone-like highlights here. Just kind of on the edges. Actually, let me turn shading off. There we go.
I just got back. Is this a portal?
This is a little pad that when the player jumps on it, they'll like be fired into the air.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. So like a little stone monolithic kind of.
Wait, and you built this just now? Great.
Yeah. Thank you.
Never saw a trampoline made out of stone. Nah, just kidding.
Like, because even the shading and
Okay.
stuff, it's cold. But you using like an iPad or something, like to draw all of this?
Oh no.
How are you?
Oh no, just my trusty mouse.
Wow.
That's crazy.
Got that smooth mouse hand from years of playing StarCraft. No, just kidding.
So play.
Crazy.
No, I know Hercules is a League player. I don't know if there are other League players out
That's
here
too
that
bad.
stress
You
people.
playing,
That's
you playing League as
unfortunate.
well? I haven't played League for a while, but usually it was Wild Rift these days because I can't be bothered to do it on my laptop, to be honest.
Oh no, you play Mobile League?
Bro, I can't be bothered. I can't be bothered. I actually can't be bothered anymore.
That's
I
rough.
used to do
That's
it on
rough.
I used to do it on the PC and stuff, but yeah, man. Need to be able to play on the go. I'm busy.
I don't play League for fun. I play League to stress myself out sometimes.
Exactly.
I don't know why I do it, but I just keep doing it for years.
You just love getting extremely angry.
I know. I
I'm
need
always just
something to
thinking,
ruin my day sometimes.
nah. What are you playing? Who are you playing? Who's your mains?
I'm a main Tomkins and Orn. So I play tank on top. Mostly
Yeah.
these two.
Playing a tank on top is a great way to carry a terrible team. Honestly.
Is that position 3? Or is that not a
I
thing
don't
in
know
League of Legends?
I don't know what position 3 is.
Like in Dota, there's different like priority positions. So position 1 is like your carry. Position 2 is your mid player. 3 is your tank and initiator. 4 is your soft support, and then 5 is your hard support.
Yeah, so it's position 3.
Gotcha.
Position 3. Yeah, so like you play a tank because really, like if you're a solid tank, you can carry a bad team.
Yeah. And bad players are bad at initiating, so they need someone to kind of lead the charge.
Yeah, exactly. And obviously, if you've been fed as a tank, like you can really do
The
a lot.
worst part is that sometimes I lose matches in which I build full tank, yeah, I still deal the most damage.
Yeah, exactly.
Bummer.
And I still
Who
lose.
do I
So I don't know what else I can do.
who do I main usually? I main Mundo these days. Mundo a
Oh,
lot
no.
because
Oh no, you're one of those people.
I need to be I need to literally be unkillable. Like I need like
One of
someone
those
actually
people.
like a Mundo with like a build that's just like built for like taking down turrets.
Yeah, what else do you play? Garen?
Garen, yeah, you can play. I can play me and Garen if need be.
I
But
know
Garen's
you're one of
boring.
those people. I'm telling you.
No,
Rich, he's profiling you.
No, I'm like a we need to win at all costs.
Like whatever it takes, yeah.
Garen is the most boring player of all the players in League though. So
What's he do?
nothing. He hits and he jumps and hits. Like he's like
Yeah, there's
And
no
then he
skill
spins
shot.
and runs away.
It doesn't consume mana. It does have a crazy health regen.
Crazy
Exactly.
healthy.
And it deals
Yeah.
true damage.
But like Mundo, damn, that regen is crazy. But yeah, if I'm like in the mood for winning, like I play Mundo. Like I think I was like a top rank Mundo on the server on like mobile, but like
Mundo players. Feel sorry for you, man.
we take and we take and we take damage. A lot of damage.
You know, a champion I wanted to master would be Zillion, but
Ooh.
it's too much for me. But it would be interesting to see.
He said Garen is a fidget spinner. Do you know how hilarious that is?
That
It's
is
funny
true,
because
facts.
it's true.
I need to try League.
No, you don't. Trust me.
I'm a Dota player, so I'm used to the toxic nature of the game already. So
no, man, your game can stand with voice chat. Ours can't. If League, if League turns global voice chat on as Dota has, well, some crimes are going to be committed. It's a whole new level of toxicity.
wow, I can't imagine it being worse than Dota. I'm sure.
It's true. Yeah, and then they see a pic on like the World Championship, and they decide to copy it, thinking they'll play just like the pro player.
Oh, that's the worst. And their excuse is the pros do it.
Yeah, it's
I
a
hate
meta,
that.
bro.
Yeah. You know, maybe this needs to be like brick. I'm gonna give it like a brick kind of texture on the steps. See how that
We have a
works.
trampoline already.
Oh,
No
I also like
trampoline
to
for
jungle.
you.
Jungle is good.
Jungling. I used to love playing jungle, but the problem is that every single season now completely changes the jungle gameplay experience. So just decided to stop playing it.
Yeah. No,
But
I
I know
hear
that I know that the grubs are really important. Like I always try to prioritize those when I'm playing top lane. Whenever they're about to spawn, I just push my lane, just push the wave and try to help. But sometimes, my team jungler prioritizing farm over objectives.
Nah, yeah, it's so dumb. I play a Mina Mumu because like how many stuns can you have? And an AoE stun as well. Crazy. Trying to think who else do I like to play in jungle. Play Evelyn. I can play Eve. And play obviously Mundo can jungle if he wants, but yeah. Shiv
Please
and
don't.
jungle. And then you also have like the broken Trind and like Yi and all those kind of guys in jungle. Like, yeah, man, jungle's cool. I like it because you just don't have to rely on anyone, and you kind of can go and support the weakest players like quite quickly, which is useful.
And then they blame you for everything.
And then they
That
blame
is
you
true.
for everything. It doesn't
But
matter because you
sometimes you
still
have to
gain
rely on
objectives.
them because, for example, if the enemy jungler is with the help of the enemy mid laner invading your jungle, and your mid laner is busy farming.
But if you have like the right jungler, you can probably just about like navigate your way out of those situations. Mumu stun or use his string thing to like jump out to a mob or something like that. Like there's ways to do it. I'm still laughing at the fact that Faxi called Garen a fidget spinner, by the way. That is actually hilarious.
Does he have like a blade storm type ability?
Yeah, he just like
Gotcha.
spins. He's the most boring character in game.
We have one of those in
Unreal.
Dota too, called Juggernaut.
Yeah, his name also sounds. Garen's like Karen. With a G.
This is looking good.
So you've made a jumping portal. And Ark. How are we getting along?
Ooh, I actually think I have a better idea for this.
Ark has a world with rotated trees.
I do.
Not flying away anymore.
You did it,
I'm not
Art. Good
flat.
job.
I did.
He's kept them grounded.
I knew you could do it. What's the cylinder with the hole in it called? Oh, tube, of course. Of course.
That was so American.
Wow. Wow, huh? Wow.
I'm sorry.
That's racist.
Ark, what are we gonna do with like shooting through blocks? Are we gonna stop that?
Yeah, I'm fixing that right now.
Okay, cool.
My collision handler isn't registering for some reason.
What did you say?
Sorry,
Man's
my,
eating snacks as we speak, as usual.
my collision
He's
handler
definitely
is
eating
not
as we speak.
registering for some reason.
Hmm.
Oh, what the?
So, out of curiosity, though, how do you measure a gallon? Like,
How do I measure
what
what?
does a gallon stand for?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
Did you guys measure like fuel as a gallons? Like,
Yeah.
yeah. So
I mean, how do you measure a centimeter? It's so small. It's like easy to mess up. Just by feeling,
okay, you
right?
got me
Just
there.
by feeling.
No, but there is like something I don't remember exactly, but there is like something real that measures that determines that X measure is a centimeter. But a gallon, like you can have gallons with different sizes.
No, you
Like a
can't.
gallon that measures 2
No,
gallons.
no, a gallon is a standardized unit. Like it represents
Like-
something. I just don't know what it is.
3.7 liters or something. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very stupid because gallon is a word in Portuguese and it means like kind of the recipient where you store something in like a liquid inside. Yeah.
But yeah,
That's
perhaps
interesting.
was a language barrier on my side that inspired the question.
Oh no, it's all good.
Yeah, because it's like calling, for example, instead of measuring with liters, measuring with cups. Like, I want a cup of tea that is 3 cups.
Oh, you mean like they don't equate to each other?
No, it's like the name of the measurement is the same as the recipient.
Oh, I see. The vessel.
Yeah.
Is that what you mean? The vessel?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
I think you're confusing me, brother.
Brother.
Never mind. Never mind.
A gallon in Brazil is just like where you store fuel or water or whatever.
Mm.
So like a bucket or cup, whatever. Yeah. But in the United States, it's kind of like a measurement. I mean, literally a way to measure stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very stupid as well. Like 3.7
This is a gallon
liters.
in Portuguese. I sent it in the chat.
That's
The
a
voice chat
jerry
chat.
can. A jerry can thing, I think. Right?
What? A Jerry? What?
What? Why is it not named that?
What the heck is a jerrican?
Jerry can? Do you
A
not?
Jerry.
What? What?
I have No, I don't know what the heck you're talking about.
Me neither.
What do you call these in English?
Oh, a gas can? No, I've never heard of the term jerry
A gas
can.
can? Isn't a gas can a synonym to gallon? Or are they completely different?
No, a gallon is a unit of measurement. A gas can is
There
a
are no
decibel.
objects called gallons.
No, there's not.
Just measure.
A gallon of gas is one measurement of a fluid, but usually gas cans are like 5 gallons or 2.5.
It's so confusing to us. 1 gallon.
How in the
like
world for
12
me?
liters.
To us, to your people.
Yeah, I marked you in Discord for one.
Me?
Yeah, you specifically. That's a jerry can. How do you not know about it?
Hold on, I'm going.
It's in
Where? What?
Just playing
Oh,
tap.
gotcha. Okay. Oh yeah, I didn't know that was called a jerry can.
fun.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
It looks like a military gas can that would be on like a Jeep or something, or like a Humvee.
yep. They are also in Call of Duty, I think, and Unturned or something. I think it's Unturned. Yeah.
Something wrong with my beam. I think maybe. What the heck am I doing here? I'm losing my mind. That looks centered, right? Why is the
Looks like
why? What is with this? Why is it off centered? It's like the pivot point is not right. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. It should pivot it. Like 0, 0, 0. Okay, now that makes it. Okay, what is going on?
If you press that button, it should automatically calculate the center. Like where you
Well,
have
that's.
the pivot point. Yeah.
I was trying that, but for some reason it wasn't doing that. See, like if I see the pivot is at 1, if I hit center, now it's at. No, it's the same. Didn't do anything. All I wanted to do is come out of this hole in a straight line up to this destination.
Oh, I see.
Come on. Okay. See, it's off centered again. It needs to be here. There we go. Wait, is that it? Does that work? Oh my. Okay, there. Okay, that looks right. Okay, finally, that looks right. I don't know how I did it. Don't know how I did it, but I did.
I'll copy and paste it 5 times.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Good job, Honk.
Yeah. Can already apply to become a modeler.
You the man. You knew it.
Participate in the next competition.
You knew exactly what I was about to do. Okay, so yes, I am gonna actually copy paste this multiple times. Well done. Yes. 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 Okay. Now we have to just offset let's just offset these animations by, oh my God, come on. I really can't make this taller. Oh yeah, there it goes. Okay. Need to offset these animations by some amount. So beam 1, beam 2. Yeah, 3, 4. So beam 1 here. Let's see the speed of this. Okay, that's way too slow.
Mm.
0.5. So then we have like 0.25. Let's see. 2. Yeah, I gotta wing it because there's no units up here.
Necro
3.
sent a message in the voice chat, text chat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's maybe Ark would be the best person to answer.
What is
It's
it?
an interesting one.
That's
Okay.
our question. I have no input.
Wait, where is
Yeah.
the chat out?
The question is essentially
The voice chat.
in the voice chat section. Mark.
Oh. It's going to be TypeScript, JavaScript most likely, just because it's more accessible. But the APIs used to build in Java on Minecraft are arguably way more of a pain in the ass. What I'm using right now aren't the APIs developers will use. These are like the low-level APIs just internally in the engine. We haven't built out the like public developer-facing APIs yet, but they'll be a lot simpler.
That was also asked earlier.
Yeah, no more Java. It was consideration for a long time, but
Makes this one so much faster. To make noises.
I want to know why my freaking
I know. Why is your frickin'?
I'm trying. Why is my bullet not triggering collision events? Yeah. Also, if you already know Java, like JavaScript will be a literal walk. It is the easiest language, arguably, to learn in the entire world, in my opinion. And if you like typed languages more, you can learn TypeScript, which is like the APIs will have 100% full native support for TypeScript. But if you are a person who doesn't like TypeScript or doesn't like dealing with it, like because you can get, the annoying typing compatibility stuff, if you're not used to it, you can just use JavaScript. So yeah, flexible for any skill level.
Sorry, Art, did you say you think Java or JavaScript is the easiest language to learn?
JavaScript.
JavaScript.
Oh, Java's. I mean, it's learnable, but like kind of.
Yeah, Java's
pain.
learnable. It's not the easiest.
Yeah, you can use meshes to make
Python's probably easier than JavaScript, to be honest.
Yeah. It might be. Also, yeah, all models are GLTF files. So anything you can export from Blockbench and like make animations for, you can import those and like trigger the animations with your game code for any specific thing that happens. Like player gets hit by the bullet, you can trigger the bullet animation so that it happens to all players, like in the game, so that all players see the person who got hit animating, stuff like that. It offloads a lot of the game visibility stuff into the GLTF like area, which I think is a lot more appropriate anyways. I don't know.
Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Losing my mind. Okay, here we go. What does this mean? What is going on? None of this bone exists on multiple bones. Okay.
going to leave you guys now. Going to bed.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice one, guys. Cheers.
See ya. See ya, Hunk. Okay, now that we have a full loop, all I gotta do is start with beam 1. Oops. Paste these frames again. Ooh. At the end, that's what's wrong with beam 7. There we go. Cool. Okay, now how do we
Can you hear me?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, can you go into physics and then simulation in
Yeah.
your code? That might be it. So you are doing a check for block and then entity, but you
Here?
are not doing entity and then block. Does that
But
make
it's not
any
even.
difference to you or not?
No, it's not even logging the handle though. Is the problem? Like this isn't even logging when the rigid body
I see.
collides. Yeah.
Interesting.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
hmm. Hmm. I know. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense now. I didn't have the collision flags probably. So, alright, I forgot about that. Yeah. Yep.
Oh my god, the Mac OS. Come on.
There we go. Now it's registering. I probably want this. All by default. Okay. Well, now I can despawn one hit block, so that's nice. Um, Cool. Now it despawns on hitting block. Easy peasy. Thank you, Matt, by the way.
Matt to the rescue.
Oh, it spurred the brain. Made me think a little bit. Alright. I just need the jump platform and start playing. Maybe I should track.
I know. I'm just banging my head over this animation.
I can track like the number of kills. Oh, I should make the. I need a all this is like temporary garbage logic. I need to implement a character controller and stuff, but I don't have the hit event.
Oh, I see what I'm doing wrong.
Logging. The
So 1, 2. There's one problem. Okay. There's our problem. I'm close, sorry.
Very good. I just have to change the spawn to be. It will be
There we go.
31. I think that's right.
Is it possible for a player to spawn inside a tree or not?
You know, that's the physics would push them out of it. It would yeah, it would. I'm pretty sure shove them out of the box. Let's see if I can spawn in one. That's close. I think that probably pushed me out actually.
This might be a similar situation to the Minecraft dragon. Like there's an insanely small chance that you are exactly at the position of the dragon and you deal infinite
get stuck.
damage to it.
Yeah.
No, you
could-
deal infinite damage to it. Like it's kind of funny. Yeah. Someone actually got a speed run where they killed the dragon in like 2 arrows just because
yeah?
of that. Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
The frame perfectness on that was probably like crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, I
Yeah.
think I have this solved. This was a pain.
Max, we want to play. We need a bouncy platform though.
I know. I'm close. Look at my stream.
Oh, that's cool.
I'm currently finishing the animation, but overlapping keyframes are really, really confusing sometimes. So I think this is gonna work.
Can you imagine in a game like The Last of Us or GTA 5, GTA 6, how many modelers they have to get just to
I know this is
basically make
voxel and it takes forever. I mean, like imagine like AAA level. Oh my gosh, this is a bug my Mac has a lot. Like I have to be pixel perfect to resize anything. Like you see how I don't know if you can see it, but it's flashing this.
Mm-hmm.
There. I just got it. But if I don't grab it pixel perfect, it won't let me select it. It's super annoying.
Oh, that's interesting. Are you
Yeah.
using the Magic mouse, maybe?
No, just a regular mouse.
I see.
I just want to drag this. I don't know why it's stuck on 1.25. I don't want it to take that long to loop. just
If you go to animations in the top left, is the time frame? Maybe that's 1 point.
Yeah, let me look. Hold on.
Top left.
Yeah, hold on. Oh yeah, animation length. Good job, Matt. 0.5. Nope, it won't let me adjust it. Only go bigger, not smaller. So something's up. It might be the frame rate, playback speed.
No, it's a bug. You need the restart the block bench. That's a bug with a block bench.
Oh, really? It's just restart?
Yeah, I think yeah. I think
So annoying.
that will can solve this.
All right, I'll restart.
That's so interesting. I really need a change to a character controller because the physics engine is occasionally clipping on the chunk instructions for the mesh chunks. With how
Same
the-
thing. It won't let me go less than that. Well, shit, that sucks. Hmm. I wonder if I can just do this. Can I just stretch this out? That would be nice. Oh, command to stretch keyframes. Oh, there we go.
You are not sharing your screen.
I am not. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm just going to stretch the keyframes to match the 1.2 issue. It's fine. Okay, so now let me stretch these keyframes. Can't quite tell if it's working. Looks like it is, maybe.
Do you know how many hours usually it would take for like one AAA model to be produced?
probably
I don't know.
It's probably very high. I mean, it's why companies created 3D scanners. Like they literally create objects in real life and then sell the 3D versions of those. Yeah. I know Resident Evil 4, the remake, uses that technique. and it looks very realistic.
Mm.
Yeah, like they literally create the object in real life, and then just
Yeah.
scan it at a very high resolution. Like you get 16K resolution of a chair or something, which is very impressive. I think it's called pixel scans. Pixel scan. Quixel scans, maybe.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
Yeah, it's Quixel mega scans. It's so impressive.
Yeah. Why can't I figure this out? I'm too dumb for this. It's like there's an extra beam, but then it's missing. It's like almost perfect, but there's an extra beam. What?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I have it hidden just to see which one is like jumping around. See how this is jumping? Can't quite tell which one it is. Oh, it is this one I have selected. Beam 6? It's this one. Why
Is it
doing that?
working?
Uh-uh.
I need a jump pad, sir.
Okay, I'll give you it in its current form, just even though it's ugly. Whoops. And then you can implement it while I fix this animation. But you have to promise to change it later. Okay, let's see here. Brr, brr, brr. Jump pad for you. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's sharing. Hmm. Where is my jump pad? Jump pad. Okay, here it is. Boop, boop, boop. There you go.
Temp, someone asked for the BB model, so they can try.
Oh, to fix it?
Yeah, in the voice chat.
Oh, okay. Voice chat. I don't think you can send a file in voice chat. I'll just put it in I'll just put it in the HYTOPIA general. Okay. Let's see. I think you need booster, launch pad, beam texture, or ring beam texture. Let's see. I don't think this is needed. Oh, whoops. I'll put it in the high chain general.
All right. You sent it.
Yeah, I sent you the GLTF in Slack.
Okay.
Where are you seeing the messages in voice chat? Matt, Punk,
Can you see my ping?
your yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
so if you click that, you can see chats.
Yeah.
Oh, I
It's
don't. I
like
still
a
don't
channel
see it.
just
Oh, on the right, I see. Yeah, put the model in general. I think I can fix it. I mean, it's just. I think I'm just confusing myself.
Yeah, that's fine.
But yeah, I gave you one to use for now.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so these top two look too fast or too. Oh, not or too slow.
Oh, my neck. Uh,
Okay, I'm gonna BRB everyone. Quick break. 5 minutes. Ish.
5 minutes.
yeah. Um, what's the animation in it called?
I will get you that.
Well, it's broken, so whatever. It's got a weird pixel around the exterior of it. I'm sure someone in the Slack's gonna fix it. So it's where did what?
I sent you another GLTF for it that doesn't have that border if you want.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. It's in Slack.
Okay. Just trying to make the jump pad work. Oh yeah, that's a big jump. 30. That's fun. And then you send it in Slack.
Yeah.
Thanks. What was it called? There. Oh yeah, that looks way better. Although, okay, I see what happened. I need to. Oh wait, did you? Did you change the centering of the model?
I didn't. Is it too big or?
It's like, well, it's rendering like fixed to the center point of the. See how like everything else renders at the bottom?
Yeah.
I'm
I
not
can
sure. This might be a size thing,
lower
actually.
it.
It might be my fault. One sec. You shouldn't have to. Ooh, boy. Yeah,
That booster is pretty giant.
that's a big booster. Big boost. That's fine. I can just. Okay, I need a fixed spawn, so it's not gonna spawn me outside the world. There we go. Whatever. I'll call this fine for now. That is bizarre to me. You see this, Matt?
Yes, I do.
So like every once in a while when I land, oh wait, just yeah, it's like the almost like a precision thing where the entity is clipping into the collider. Oh, I can set this to one sec. There's a way to fix this. It's the I had a note about this. Is Max back? Is that who I'm hearing?
That's Uncle Eater. If
Oh.
I think they just forgot the mic on.
I see. Oh, I can only fix this with a character controller later, because I can't set a character off, so that'll just rigid bodies. It's fine. I'm gonna push this to the server. Did I comment that out? Okay. Um, okay. So, who's gonna play this? I guess when Max gets back up. And that's running. Connected up. And,
Well, that took way longer than expected, and now I have a meeting.
oh no.
Nick,
Huh?
did you make any progress? Oh yeah,
We can play it.
I can't. I gotta meet with Ben.
No. I should probably join that too. Can I join that? I'll pop off here, and we can.
Oh, hold on. Let me see quick. Let me see. Real quick.
Well, give me 1 second. I have to update the packages on on the thing. Thing.
We can push the meeting like 30 minutes if you want.
I mean, it should still work.
Okay.
All right, check. Yeah, I think this is up to date. It's my test player.
The pad's so dark.
But it makes you.
Works though.
All right. Yeah. Let me.
You should make a button that toggles on and off the like debug grid around the models.
Yeah, I'll do that. It is kind of annoying, isn't it? I can just turn it off right now.
And swap the texture out, the grass texture.
Temp, would
Come
you
on.
believe that the insulation actually worked? Like it reduced the temperature by 8 Celsius.
Dang, that's wild.
Yeah. I mean, yeah.
Join up.
It's
Join
nice.
up.
Sorry.
I'm joining up.
Oh, I sent you the link.
Swap the texture.
That's fine, bro. I'd have to
All
read
right.
everything of the server.
Okay, all
I'm
right.
lazy right now.
All right, I'm in. Nice. Boing, boing. Uh-oh.
Yeah. Bro.
Get wrecked.
I'm
Where's the
playing on
server?
trackpad. Leave me alone. This
Yeah,
is in
good point.
Ohio.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, I forgot about sprint. Nice. You can't jump and sprint at the same time though. Do these blocks? Oh yeah, they stop the bullet.
They do.
Nice.
So do the trees. Oh, I cannot aim with this trackpad. It's so bad.
I don't think collision's working. I think bullets collide with each other.
Oh, they might be actually.
I think when two people are shooting each other, it's the bullets are colliding.
Yeah, that is happening. Yep, because I
'Cause me and Matt were just doing like full on Dragon Ball Z, like Dumbledore versus Voldemort, or not Dumbledore, Harry Potter versus Voldemort.
Bro, I'm just dying left and right over here.
Oh, what is this stretched wall over here?
Yeah, I gotta fix that. Ignore that. That's just some texture mapping client stuff I haven't dealt with.
Overall, pretty cool though.
Fuck.
Like this is 100%. How does it feel for you, Matt?
Probably. Yeah,
I mean,
he's
it's
probably at
laggy,
100.
but
He's at
not
170
bad.
ping.
Yeah. I managed to queue temp a few times, and that's good enough.
We'll talk about that in next meeting.
Bro, who's all playing? I know. Is Rich in here? Rich, are you in here?
We could put the link in general and make it an absolute F fest for like 5 minutes.
Oh, I put it in general. That's why.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay.
How's the Shorver doing? Server's chilling. Server is having no issues.
No, I'm temp.
Yeah, I just have random player IDs assigned to.
Now add high play.
Yeah, basically I need to do that. Then I could put user IDs on stuff.
That would be sweet.
That would be nice.
I don't know if it's the same in MacBooks, but if I press Control and then A, it selects everything.
Oh no,
yeah.
that's I gotta fix that.
Apple A does in MacBook.
Yeah, that's what I should have remembered that. I do have the control key map to sprint right now.
But isn't there a setting on websites that allow you to not interact, that disable interaction with elements, like you can't highlight text and things like that?
Yeah, if I
I
can
think so.
update it so it stops propagation. I'm pretty sure I just have to stop the event propagation.
Yep.
If you give me like 2 seconds, I can do that, Matt, and it'll just
Fix the texture.
No, I'm not. I have to reload the server to do that.
Yeah, just reload the server.
Where's the input manager? On.
All our beautiful modeling work, and you won't fix the texture.
Bro. Oh, okay. Someone jumping on my head. Yeah, okay, cool.
Oh wait, people are joining.
Yeah, he put it in general.
Ah,
You gonna play?
pin.
I'm fixing this Windows thing for Matt and everyone else on Windows so that it stops. I think so.
I can also just disable the shortcuts.
No, I mean
That
it's a
also
thing on
works.
Windows that it's gonna affect everyone. Like that key should not be. I think that'll fix it.
Oh,
Yeah, I just restarted.
Oh, how are we joining? Sorry, I'm looking at general. I'm not seeing it.
Matt, can you try now?
general.
I'm lost.
Matt, did that fix it? The Control Alt.
It's general. He put it in HYTOPIA, I think, maybe.
Oh, oh no, I
That's
see.
why.
Don't worry.
Oh wait, no, he didn't.
You didn't.
Wait. Where'd you put the link?
I'm in. Don't worry.
It's in
I'm
general
in.
chat. Matt, did that fix the control
Right.
key for you?
Like
What?
general.
Not really. But
Oh, you
so
mean the Slack general?
it still selects everything?
Oh, I thought you were putting it in
Yeah,
the
it
public
is.
Discord general.
We'll have 1,000 people join.
Huh?
We should do it, Ark. Let me put it in the high chain general.
Oh gosh. The server is gonna. Okay, one sec. Give me one sec to.
The server can't
Okay.
take it.
Go for it.
All right, how are we shooting, by the way?
You click.
All right, it's in the high chain, or yeah, high chain general.
God.
Are we shooting? Sorry, did we click?
You just click.
No, not working.
It's not working for you.
No.
Left mouse click.
Nope.
Oh. Mouse left. I don't know what to tell you. You're a moving target, sir.
Look, we got
my
quite a few people in here. Someone recording this?
I don't know. Ooh, something's not happy.
Oh, sweet.
Something happened.
Where are you located? It's going to be laggy for people that are far away from. Really, it should be fast for you. It's
I think
Ohio
the server
server.
might be taking a. Oh no, maybe not.
It feels
No,
good
I'm
to
not
me.
even
It's 'cause-
lagging that bad. I just know how to shoot on a mouse, on a Mac. Maybe it's because I'm on a Mac and I'm just using my touchpad at the moment.
I'm on a Mac, and it seems pretty
Oh my
smooth.
god.
But yeah, I have a mouse.
There are so many pumpkin heads flying everywhere. I wonder how many people are in here.
How do you run?
You hold control.
WASD, and then hold control to sprint, but you can't jump while sprinting. Oh,
If you look in the top left, there's a number that says RTT. If that number is like above 100, it's gonna feel pretty laggy.
no, it was like a hardware acceleration issue with Brave browser versus Chrome.
I think.
Because he's in New Jersey, he should have like the lowest RTT of us all.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, my RTT is like 134.
Yeah,
That's
that'll
pretty
feel a
good for all the way in the UK.
Yeah, I'm joining now from PA, so logging
Oh
in.
my god, bro. I mean, the server hasn't shit any exceptions yet, so that's probably good. I've never played with this many people yet.
It's rubber banding for me a bit.
Yeah, I've noticed that too. I think what's happening is it's actually the client. I don't have the buffer states being cleared, so it's just stacking up a ton of memory. If you close your browser and rejoin, I don't fix it.
Stacking memory.
Well, because as more people join, the physics simulation state gets bigger and bigger, especially
Right.
when it's flying around. And 60 times a second, it's buffering the entire state in the memory right now and not clearing it. So you probably have like, let me watch my memory consumption.
Oh, it's not clearing it?
No, sir.
So it's just like a memory leak.
Yes, sir.
That's great.
Yay, Ark, I jumped out of the arena.
Oh my gosh. You have to restart because there's nothing that'll.
You can still jump though. Space works in midair. Oh wait, no, he changed it.
No, I'm like, I can't even see the arena anymore. Like, I'm so far gone.
Into the abyss.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's like that's a lot of memory.
All right, well, this is a success.
Ish.
I mean, it's early alpha, pre-alpha. I mean, not even alpha, honestly.
Yeah.
I think it's working really well, and it's really nice to see, like in real time, the creation of GLTF models, implementing them, giving them some sort of functionality. Like this is the future of HYTOPIA.
Probably. Yeah, there's a lot to
in
improve
some
on,
form.
but
In some
we can
form.
definitely make this way better. It's probably really laggy for some people. I know the memory is stacking up, so if you have a device that doesn't have a lot of memory allocated to the browser, if you haven't overridden that, after like 20-30 seconds of play, it's going to start feeling really delayed because the buffer states aren't clearing. But for like a quick test, it's not bad. I mean, it seems like people are shooting, people are playing, people are running around.
Yeah.
So. Yeah. Yeah, this is, yeah. We've literally not tested this with anyone else yet, so it's Max just being like, fuck it, let's throw it in the window or in the chat.
Yeah. Damn it, Matt. Matt, I'm deleting your comment.
My RTT is good.
Mine's running pretty smoothly.
Yeah, it's
for what it's worth, mine's quite smooth as well. Obviously, when I'm not like jumping out of the age.
Yeah.
Oops. Okay, I'm headed out for a bit before our next meeting. Thank you everyone who tuned in. Appreciate the community members hanging out with us today. It was pretty fun.
Yeah, it was
we'll
good
do this
time.
again.
That was awesome.
Thanks, guys.
See ya.
No, take care.
See you guys.